Good morning, students. Today our topic is nine gold medals. This is a beautiful poem written by David Roth. Try to understand it, and if you have any problems, please contact me or WhatsApp me. It is a poem of about nine different disabled athletes. One of is a youngest athlete who fell down during the event, and how all the athletes helped him complete the race. So let us start the poem. And one more important thing, those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share it to see the all notification and all the videos. So let us start our topic, the poem Nine Gold Medals. The poet of this poem was David Roth. Here you can see the picture of David Roth. About the poet, David Roth was born on 10th October 1954 in Bloomington, Indiana. He is an American rock vocalist, song composer, author, actor, and radio personality. The poem in a nutshell. Nine gold medals, written by the American rock vocalist David Roth, is a song that inspires human compassion and cooperation. The poem is based on a story about the nine differently abled athletes in a Special Olympic event. In a race, when one runner fell to the ground, all the others stopped and returned back to help him stand on his feet, and then they walked hand in hand to finish the race. Each of the athletes was awarded a gold medal in recognition of their outstanding show of sympathy and compassion. Let's read the poem to know what the sportsman spirit of the athletes should be and what should be the motto of such organizations. The stanzas of the poem has been explained stanza wise. Stanza 1. The athletes had come from so many countries to run for the gold and the silver and bronze, many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. Explanation. Athletes have come from many countries all over the world to take part in the Special Olympics. Here you can see the picture of athletes have come from many countries. They were there to compete for medals, gold, silver, and bronze. They have gone through various training for months to participate in the events with high hopes and dreams of winning medals. Here you can see the picture of medals, gold, silver, and bronze. Let's discuss some questions with answers. What is the poem Nine Gold Medals about? The poem Nine Gold Medals is about an inspiring story about the nine differently abled athletes in a Special Olympic event who came from all over the country. Many athletes came from all over the country. Why did they come there? They came there to participate in the competitions and to compete for medals. Who are usually awarded the three medals gold, silver, and bronze? The first winner of the competition is rewarded with a gold medal. The person who comes second is awarded with a silver medal, and the person who comes third gets a bronze medal. What was the event for which they had come? They had come to take part in the run event. Stanza 2. All round the field, spectators were gathered, cheering on all the young women and men. Then the final event of the day was approaching, the last race about to begin. Explanation. A large audience was present at the ground to cheer the participants of different events. They cheered and enjoyed throughout the day. Now it was time for the final event of the day, the race. People were eagerly waiting for the event to begin. Let's discuss some questions with answers. What had they done before they came down to these games? They had trained themselves hard for many weeks and months before they came down to these games. What did the spectators do around the old field? The spectators gathered around the old field to cheer all the young men and women. Why did their excitement grow high? Their excitement grew high as the last day of the event was approaching. Why did they gather around the old field? They gathered around the old field to cheer the athletes. Stanza 3. The loudspeakers called out the names of the runners. The 100 meters, the race to be run, and 9 young athletes stood there determined and poised for the sound of the gun. Explanation. The names of the runners who would take part in the 100-meter race were announced. There were 9 participants, all determined to win the competition and lined up behind the starting point. They were ready to start, waiting for the sound of the gun. Let's discuss some questions with answers. What were all lined up? For whom? The blocks were all lined up for the athletes. What was the event? The event was a 100-yard dash run. How many athletes were there? There were 9 athletes. Where were those 9 athletes? Those 9 athletes were behind the starting lines. What were they posed for? They were posed for the sound of the gun. Stanza 4. The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners on hearing the sound. But the youngest among them stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground. Explanation. The pistol exploded to start to run. The runners charged ahead, but unfortunately, the smallest among them lost his balance and stumbled. As a result, he fell down on the middle of the track. Let's discuss some questions with answers. Why was the pistol exploded? The pistol was exploded to signal the starting of the race. What did the runners do? The runners charged ahead. Who among the 9 runners was unable to run? The youngest among the 9 runners was unable to run. Why was he unable to run? He was unable to run as he lost his balance and stumbled. Where did he fall? He fell down on the asphalt middle of the track. Stanza 5. He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts dashed in the dark. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, now it's a strange one, but here's what occurred. Explanation. Nothing could be more frustrating for a differently abled athlete after such tough training. The moment he fell, he knew all his dreams, hopes, and efforts were dusted. His pain and disappointment made him give out a cry, but it did not end here. There occurred something really strange following his fall. Let's discuss some questions with answers. What does he in the fifth stanza stand for? In the fifth stanza, he stands for the young athlete. Why did the boy cry out in frustration and anguish? The boy cried out in frustration and anguish as all his dreams, hopes, and efforts were dashed in the dart. What dashed in the dart? What makes the poet say so? All his dreams for the medals dashed in the dart, so the poet says all his dreams, hopes, and efforts were dashed in the dart. Stanza 6. The 8 other athletes stopped in their tracks. The ones who had trained for so long to compete, one by one, they turned round and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. Explanation. Strangely enough, the 8 other athletes who were ahead of him stopped in their tracks. Though they had trained hard for so long to compete with one another and win medals, the fall of one athlete changed their minds. They now returned one by one and helped the fallen one stand up on his feet. Let's discuss some questions with answers. What did other runners do? The other runners turned around and came back to help the young athlete. How do you feel about their stopping here? We feel surprised about their stopping here. Who does him stand for in the sixth stanza? In the sixth stanza, him stands for the young athlete. What had they done for the boy to complete the race? They returned one by one and helped the boy stand up on his feet and walked hand in hand to finish the race. Stanza 7. Then all 9 runners joined hands and continued. The 100 meters reduced to a walk, and the banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been nearer the mark. Explanation. Then all the 9 athletes joined hands and walked to the finishing line together. The 100-meter race was reduced to a walk, but still it was special for the great display of human compassion, cooperation, and sportsman spirit. It could not have been more special in any way. Let us discuss some questions with answers. Why did they go back to him? They went back to him to help him stand up on his feet. What did they do first? They returned to the boy and helped him stand up on his feet. What did they do next? They all joined their hands and walked to the finishing line together. What happened to the 100-yard dash? The 100-meter race was reduced to a walk. What did they carry with them? They carried a banner with them. What did the banner say? The banner said that was a Special Olympics. Stanza 8. That's how the race ended with 9 gold medals. They came to the finish line holding hands still. And the banner above and 9 smiling faces said more than these words ever will. Explanation. The 9 sportsmen stood in smiling faces under the banner that declared it as a Special Olympics. Those smiling faces touched the heart of everyone present there. It delivered something special, a great feeling and a great lesson. This mere poem is not enough to express. It was beyond words. Let's discuss some questions with answers. What did the race end with? The race ended with 9 athletes with 9 gold medals. How did they come to the finishing line? They came to the finishing line holding hands. What do you mean by a standing ovation? A standing ovation means audience appreciating the athletes for their excellent performance. How were their faces then? Were they all happy? Why? Then their faces were shining brightly. Yes, they were all happy as they all won the gold medals. Thank you.